This is the ICC Fiber Adapter Panel, SC6 Port Duplex. With this stainless steel ICC adapter, you can easily make your mount enclosure unit support your fiber applications. With its push-pin technology, installation is a breeze. Just line up the holes and push. This patch panel includes 6 preloaded duplex adapters and fits all ICC fiber enclosures. The ICC adapter supports 62.5, 125, and 50 125 micron fiber cables, and works with both multi-mode and single-mode configurations. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.